Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, okay. So you see the nails, you see them cute, real cute. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do them. These are some curved nails. I used these tips that I got off Etsy for these. Now, here I am trying to reshape them using my hand file, and then I'm like, okay, yeah, no, that's not working. That's not going to work because they're so curved, and it's more like, you know how when you get straight tips and the straight tips are C curved, so it's kind of hard for you to use the hand file to actually file them. So yeah, these are like long excuse me, long curve, C curve, like C curved nails. I don't know, it's crazy. Oh wait, no, this here I got it from Dom Nail Supply. I thought I got these from Etsy. These are not from Etsy. These are from, wait, no, hold on, are they? Excuse me. Yeah, I got these from Dom Nail Supply. Apparently. I didn't know. I had no idea. I'm sorry. I had absolutely no idea. But yeah, so I realized that I cannot. Sorry for the brief intermission. I had to drink me some water. But yeah, so these nail tips are actually from Dom Nail Supply. Sorry for the lie. Pretty much. And Dom Nail Supply is on Instagram. At least that's where I found them. So yeah. I will say this, their thumb tips are not wide, and this is my sister. She has a wide thumb, so I did have to split the thumb tip so that I can make it fit. And I'm using my e-file to actually shape these nails because, like I said, trying to use my hand file just wasn't working. So the only thing I was able to do really is square off the tip using the e-file. Using the hand file. And then I use the e-file to actually crisping up the shapes on the side and make sure my curve is curving and doing what I need to do. So yeah. Once again, Dime Nail Supply on the tips. The color that I am using is from Young Nails. This looks like rosebud, but it may be something completely different. It may be a mix of rosebud, cherry blossom, and flamingo, to be honest. So yeah, you know the deal. Tame the top, and bring it on down. I don't know what we're talking about, but we must be talking about something. Okay, clean it up. Keep that shape, baby. Keep that shape. Drain it, drop it. Tame it. That's the cuticle bead. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure we seal it around there, and we're gonna feather it down. Yes, ma'am. Looking good. One more bead, drain it, drop it. This for the apex. Tame it. Bring it on down. Ooh, it's giving cute. Next bead, pick it up. I didn't drain it, but I dropped it. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. It's looking good, y'all. Sorry, it's been a minute. I ain't been back. Drain it, drop it. Tame it. Bring it on down. I really want to buy me a new brush just so that I can have bigger beads, because I'm noticing these beads are small, which is probably why it takes me so long to do some nails, because I use them small acrylic beads. All right, pick it up, drain it, drop it. Tame it. Yes, ma'am. Bring it on down. In this video, we're going to be doing some encapsulation using some hearts and some raw glitter that I got from Amazon, of course. Y'all know that's my favorite place. All right, pick it up, drain it, drop it, tame it. Bring it on down. Now, as you see, when I'm bringing it down, I do go from side to side using my brush, and that's just to make sure that I'm bringing down the acrylic evenly. Drain it, drop it, tame the top. Yes, ma'am. Bring it on down. Ooh, that's looking so good. So good. All right. Tame it. Cuticle bead. So we're going to make sure we go around. Clean it up. And bring it on down. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. Do I need another bead? I guess I didn't use another bead. All right. I didn't show y'all, but I did do a ombre using the nude on this nail. So it's nude at the cuticle, and I just feathered it down to a clear tip. And now I'm adding on some hearts and a little bit of glitter. So on the next nail, this is a full clear nail. So I put the raw glitter on top, and I feather it down like a little ombre on top. And then I feather it down. Cute. Making sure we keeping it clean. And then I put some hearts on top of the raw glitter. Yes, ma'am. And then I put a little bit of clear acrylic on top, just so that when I encapsulate, those hearts aren't moving. So yeah. All right. Tame the top, bring it on down. Now when I encapsulate, I like, if the whole nail does not have any acrylic on it, I like to put the clear acrylic on top of the parts that don't have no acrylic, just to kind of even out my surface before I start encapsulating for real. So now I'm encapsulating. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Drain it, drop it. Okay, I didn't drain it, but I dropped it. And we're going to tame it. Yes, ma'am. And we're going to bring it on down. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the next nail, of course. But y'all already knew that. Pick it up. I guess I'm not draining it because my paper towel is soaked already. And draining on a wet paper towel kind of irritates me just a little bit, just a tad bit. So yeah, pick it up. I tried to drain it, but there was no way for me to drain it. So I dropped it. And we taming it. Making sure it's good. And we're going to bring it on down. Ooh-wee. One more bead. Right there. Making sure look good. Considering that we had absolutely no acrylic at the bottom, but we had acrylic at the top because we used acrylic to lay the glitter down. So yeah. Cute, real cute. All right. Now I'm finna put like a thin layer of clear in the center of each nail. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. And it looked really good. Guess this is just me making sure that my nails have enough structure. So now I'm finna file the other hand on camera. Now we're gonna take this hand file and we're gonna reshape. Real cute. We're gonna make sure them edges is crispy. Them free edges is crispy. We're gonna make sure it looks really good. And we're gonna taper it in just a little bit. Taper it in. Because I did a really good job laying acrylic on these nails. So I don't think there was a lot of tapering in that I needed to do. Flip the hand over, making sure you look at it from that angle. Look at your nails from all angles. So yeah, do your big one. The biggest one you can do. All right, now we're finna use our E-file. This is a sanding band from earlier. Yep, and we gonna balance out the nail technically. Just making sure there's no lumps and bumps. And then we're gonna go around that cuticle to cut down some of the bulk. We're also going to take the E-file and place it towards the free edge of the nail just to thin it out just a tad bit. And we're gonna hit them sides where it's curving just to make sure we don't have nothing dripping or dropping. Okay, nothing dripping and dropping. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my computer. I'm doing the voiceover on my phone, but the computer is playing the video as I do the voiceover. So if you hear the fan in the background, I do apologize. So yeah, but I'm gonna keep going because at least I'm not low-key talking over it. I'm actually talking directly into the mic right now, so we should be good. So yeah, like I said, we're going to take that E-file and we're going to make sure we get the lumpies and bumpies and we thin it out just a little bit on the free edge and we hit them cuticles and we hit them curves. Yes, ma'am. And it looks so good, y'all. These nails look so good. I'm obsessed with curved nails, but I know y'all know that already. Then we're going to take our second bit, which is a panna bit. This is a tapered barrel bit in... I want to say medium. Yeah, I want to say medium. I go from medium to extra fine So those are my two choices that I typically like. And I also like a regular barrel bit. It doesn't always have to be tapered. So yeah, I go between those 3 bits. So yeah. Dust the clients off. Don't forget to dust them off. So yeah, now we finna do some V Frenches on the plain nude nails. Yeah, because I had to tie the hands together, and the white ties the hands together, even though they're 2 different colors. So we got a fuchsia type pink, and then we have a deep teal. So yeah, real cute. Really, really cute. I think I probably would have preferred purple and pink instead of blue, but these not my nails, so. But they came out really, really cute. I'm using a liner brush that I got from Amazon. What does that say? What does that box say? Savvyland. I think that's the name of the brand of these liner brushes. And they do come with a top. You see the top right there, sitting beside the box for this pink liner brush. I think it comes with like 6 or 7. So yeah, really cute. The white gel polish I'm using is from Acrylic. Acrylic has some of the best white gel polish. I don't have to go over it twice typically. So yeah, really good white gel polish. I know y'all know that I'm a Beatles stan. Like, I love Beatles and Beatles loves me. So yeah. However, this white gel polish is really good. Oh yeah, I got a comment previously. Someone asked me, how do I get my Beatles polish to cure in the nail lamp? I leave it in that nail lamp for 120 seconds. Nothing less. So I don't know if it's because I just want to make sure that all my nails are completely dry or what. But I have noticed that if it's like a white or a black, it will tend to ripple up on the sides if it's not fully cured. And that's with any gel polish, not just Beatles. So with any gel polish, I leave it in there for 120 seconds. And that's because I be having a little bit of time to kill. If you don't have no time to kill, then just use thinner layers of gel polish. That typically helps. After I do this white, we're gonna do we have 1 full nail left, and we're gonna do some rhinestones in the shape of a V. I'm gonna put some music on, and y'all can listen to that, and then y'all can watch. And afterwards, you're gonna see the finished product. You're gonna see that finished product. Period. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, if you could leave me the emoji with the pink nails, leave that in the comments. It's just so I know that y'all was watching, and I really, really appreciate it. Okay, and I just checked, and I'm at 1,600 subscribers. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 2 people in the United States, because I've done this before, a giveaway, and in the giveaway it just didn't really work out because the person was not in the United States, so I had to send them a gift card from Amazon, which I'm not opposed to doing, because I was unable to fulfill my giveaway thing. So yeah, United States, sorry, that is only for the United States. When I get some money and I can ship y'all things overseas, and I will, but right now I don't have no money in for that. So yeah, in the United States only, I will be sending you some personal nails. After we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're going to do a raffle. Not a raffle, but, like a giveaway, just to pick some people, okay? Okay, random. It's not going to be, like, people I know. But, yeah, I love you guys, and I really appreciate you making it this far in the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. And let's get to 2,000. We on the road to 2,000 subscribers. 2,000. That's crazy. That's really crazy to me. All right. Bye.